Hi YouTube, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play and I'm Rachel. Welcome back. So now I'm gonna use the Nuwave air fryer, my new friend. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And we're gonna cook French fries that I put some salt and pepper on and a little oil. And home fries to go with your omelet or whatever you want to do with it. It can go with your dinner or whatever, okay? So I'm gonna put them in now, all right? Okay, the French fries are in. Oh, those are gonna be great. And the home fries. So just so you know, I put some olive oil on the French fries, but I did not put it on the home fries so that you can see the difference, okay? All right, we're gonna cook that now. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna set the time. I'm gonna clear. Turn it on again. And then I'm gonna press, I want it on 360. It's already preheated, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I'm gonna set the time, and we're gonna start the time at 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take a look in 5 minutes, okay? Here we go. Great. Hi, Grandma Ray Don't Play is back. And remember, we was cooking home fries and French fries. And I think I want to label this Grandma Ray Don't Play Home Fries and French Fries to Die For. How about that? Okay, it might be too long, huh? Well, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to check it now. I'm going to open it. It's been cooking 7 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it's not done. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in. I just want to test it and see how it's halfway done. It's halfway soft, but not all the way. So let me just stir it up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in for another 4 minutes. Okay, so listen, cut. Are you gonna cut? Okay, so I'm back and the time, 10 minutes just ended on the home fries and French fries. So let's take a look, shall we? Wow, let's see. Where is a fork? Nor the French fries. So we're gonna add another 5 minutes. So remember, we started on 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go to another 5 minutes. At 360, yes, that's the temperature we want. Push it in again. We're gonna minus this down to 5 minutes and let that cook some more. Okay, we'll be back. Hi YouTube family. Okay, so I took the French fries out because they're ready, but the home fries still need another 2 minutes, okay? So let's take a good look at the French fries. How about that? This is not from a bag. This is French. I took 2 potatoes and I cut it up and made homemade French fries. And guess what it cost? You're not gonna believe it, okay? I counted up like maybe 15 potatoes in the bag. I paid $2.99 for the bag. So this is about 40 cents worth of potatoes. It costs you 40 cents for some French fries. Now you can't beat that. And they're fresh and they're homemade. There's no preservative or none of that stuff on it, okay? So we are gonna give it a taste. Before I do that, I'm gonna start the home fries on another 2 minutes. So remember, we started out with 10 minutes. The French fries cooked in 8 minutes. And now on that 10 minutes, I still gotta add another 2 minutes for the home fries. So the home fries is gonna take about 12 minutes, all right? Let's start it. I'm gonna have to stop it, cut it off to add the 2 minutes. Okay, got the 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna taste the home fries. Would you like to taste the home fries, Darius?
Yeah, I'll take a piece.
Would you like to taste some home fries? No? Okay. Well, do you want ketchup on your home fries, Darius?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Okay, just so you know, I got this ketchup from the Dollar Tree for $1, okay? Hunt's for $1. I'm trying to help your bottom line, okay? Okay, you want it on the top or on the side?
On the side.
All right, he likes his on the side. Okay, let's give it a taste, shall we? Turn that like that. You want to get your fork? You trying to race me to the ketchup? Okay, here we go. French fries made from scratch. Just 2 potatoes. Made all these French fries. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh, much better. Better than frozen any day.
One thing I noticed with these, they don't have like, it's not greasy.
No, it's not.
Not at all.
You see?
It's not soaking in the oil or anything like that.
Yes. So I did rub some olive oil on the French fries, and I did not rub olive oil on the home fries. So as you can see, the French fries got done, but the home fries still need 2 more minutes, the ones that I did not rub in olive oil. So I learned something. I'm gonna rub my potatoes in olive oil from now on, anytime I make home fries or French fries. Okay? All right, and it stopped. So let's check on the home fries. It's still hot.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Oh, he can't even chew it. It's so hot. See, he tried to get me to burn my lips, but his lips got burnt. I love it. Nuwave air fryer. Hot, hot, hot. It gets it done. What are you thinking?
That's good.
Can you imagine you can have that in 12 minutes in the morning with your breakfast meat and your eggs? A breakfast, right?
Yeah.
So remember, I used 2 potatoes, and how much that cost?
40 cents.
40 cents. Now, where are you gonna get that from? No nowhere.
Not McDonald's.
Exactly. And so don't come tell me, people, oh yeah, but I had to pay $2.99 for the bag of potatoes. Yeah, and you're gonna use that on other meals. So, you know, we can't take the total cost for the home fries. We have to take the total cost divided into other things that we use it for. You remember, your house is a little mini store. You gotta keep your store stocked, and you gotta use your stock wisely. Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and remember, don't forget to let me know if you like it. Don't forget to push the bell so you can be notified, and subscribe. Oh, call a friend, call your mom. Tell everybody how to make these French fries and home fries for 40 cents for 2 potatoes. Okay, thanks. I'm out. Rachel.